How to fix missing chat history sync between devices on Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app and navigate to the menu page. Head towards the option settings. Click on the option privacy and safety. Now navigate to the option into in encrypted chats. Click on the option security alerts. Now click on the option view logins. In this page, you're going to find the list of the devices in which your Messenger account is logged in. Click on each device and log out your Messenger from all the devices available over here. Once you do this, close this and launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Messenger. Once you find it, launch it. Now you will need to click on the option Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Now what you have to do is sign into your Messenger account from all the devices that you have just logged out from. Check whether your messages are syncing between them or not. If your messages are still not syncing, we have got another step, that is, launch your Messenger, navigate to the menu page, click on the option Privacy and Safety, click on the option Into in Encrypted Chats. Now head towards the option Message Storage. Click on the option Turn off Secure Storage. Click on Turn off. Now again turn it on. And that's it. Your Messenger chat history should now sync perfectly across all the devices. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments below and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.